So we're here in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Rinnai RU160IN. That's the interior natural gas. Um, so these units are top of the line from Rinnai. They've got a new one that just came out within the last month, I believe. It's the RX series. But this is top of the line here. No pump, so that would be the RUR. They also make an RSC, but this is the RU series. The RU160 is 160,000 BTU, and then just a single vent on top. So up here, you have options of going with twin vent, which is 2-inch PVC intake, 2-inch PVC exhaust, or just use the concentric. That's got a plastic sleeve. Inside, it's got a stainless steel 3-inch vent, and so it draws air in through the sleeve and then exhausts through the center. Everything's hard piped here. So you've got hard copper coming out, up, tying in. You've got the isolation valves that come with the unit, the blue and the red, and that's how you flush it. We flush ours at our house. We flush ours every 6 months. You might get away with something like a year, depending on the use, how much water you run through the unit. PVC 1/2 inch going down for the condensate. That is acidic. So the PVC is the only material you should use there. And then, of course, gas, full 3/4 inch line and full 3/4 inch inside diameter connector going up into the unit. And so anyways, 120 is what we recommend. You can set some parameters and take this up to 140. I don't recommend it. It slows the flow down, and then of course you run a greater risk of scalding. And so I would recommend just leaving it at 120. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.